So we're brightening things up here on the WJZ Outback. We like to see that here. And in our WJZ Observatory, things are looking pretty good as well. As you can see, a lot of sunshine out there. Have your sunglasses for today. They'll come in handy no matter what time you're outside all the way through sunset here this evening. And also that will come in handy too is probably the AC. You're definitely going to want to have that here as we move through this afternoon. So here's your first alert forecast for today. We are looking at the start of another heat wave. This one probably not as extreme or brutal as the last one. But that being said, the other one set the bar so far high that most heat waves are not like the last one. So you just need to take it easy here, especially tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday. Those days probably about 96 to 101 for your high temperatures, and the heat index values around 105 to 108. Strong storms are possible Saturday. Strong storms are actually possible Sunday and Monday as well. We still have a lot of question marks on which day of the weekend may be the busiest in terms of storms. So check back to that forecast here. That can change, so I don't want to sell you a bad day right now when that could flux into another day over the weekend. But right now, Saturday at the moment is looking like the busier of the 2 days. Wednesday and Thursday, that's your worst of the heat in this upcoming heat wave. That's where temperatures, actual air temperatures are near 100, 102 to 106, 7, 108 in some spots. And on the eastern shore, 110 is possible. The worst 2 days of that heat wave certainly are tomorrow and Thursday, with triple-digit heat possible. The beaches will see some nice relief here today, especially with that south to southwesterly wind, 83. Tomorrow and Thursday, you got to jump into the water to be cool here. It's just the type of day it is. Not much of a sea breeze. Sea breeze kicks back in Friday and Saturday, but the water gets a little more choppy. You see those orange flags. That means a moderate risk of rip currents. Sun is up, and the temperatures are about to go up as well. 69 in Annapolis right now, 70 in Westminster, 67 in Hagerstown, and we're about 65 at BWI Marshall. A lot of places in the upper 60s this morning, including you in Cockeysville, Reisterstown, Elk Ridge this morning, Severn down to Glen Burnie, low 70s, Middle River over to Essex and Dundalk. High pressure still in a place right now where it's not too humid, so it's kind of a dry heat setting up for the first part of the afternoon, and then it turns a smidge more humid with those southwest winds. Our forecast high 94, feeling more like 96 here this afternoon. Anne Arundel and Howard counties were on your corner today. It's hot right up to the beaches today, from Cape St. Clair up to Annapolis, Shadyside, and Deal. To the west there from Rivera Beach over to Columbia, Friendship, West Friendship, you're going to be looking at temperatures lower 90s this afternoon. Hottest numbers up in Carroll County, upper 90s for you in Westminster later today. It's a hot evening, but not quite as bad as what we dealt with during the 4th of July holiday, where we had temperatures in the 90s through 11 o'clock at night. I don't see that happening, but it's still a warm night tonight and turning more humid, 74 degrees. Low to mid 70s for your overnight lows tonight. Quick look at your first alert 7-day forecast. Triple-digit heat possible Wednesday and Thursday. Saturday and Sunday, those are the days with potential storms. We'll talk more about this in your Super 7-day coming up.